Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to be showing you how to make a pencil case.
The materials you will need will be 2 types of fabrics and a zip.
Cut out 2 pieces of each fabric.
Get 2 rectangles of your fabric. Place the first one upside down and the second one right side up. Put your zip upside down and attach them on the right side. Now it's time to sew.
Do the same with the other side.
Fold it inside out and sew the 2 edges and the bottom. And now turn it inside out and you're done.
Thank you so much for watching. We would really appreciate if you could click on our logo to help our really small business. Thanks for watching. See you next time.